Are antenna channels missing or not showing on your HiSense Roku TV? Don't worry if only streaming channels appear or no antenna channels are found on live TV. Here's how to get them back and fix the problem properly. So first, from your home screen, when you go into the live TV section, you may notice that antenna channels are missing and only streaming channels are showing. So before anything else, make sure your antenna cable is properly connected at the back of the TV and fully seated. So if the issue still happens, you just have to go to your TV settings, then TV input. So from here, you just have to go for your live TV and choose setup input. Now from here, select antenna and start a fresh channel scan. So once the scan is complete, your antenna channel should come back in the guide. And here you can find all your available channels right away. But if that doesn't work for you, just do a cool boot and just unplug your TV from the power, wait about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and try the same process again. And when you want to rescan your channel again, just go to the app section from your home screen and open live TV, then press the star button on your remote and select rescan channels. And that's it. And now you can enjoy your antenna channels on your TV properly. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix9 till the end.